In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create equal height columns using CSS compatible with platforms like Elementor, Bootstrap, and WordPress. This technique is essential for maintaining a visually appealing and consistent design across your website. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or a beginner, having equal height columns can significantly enhance the user experience, ensuring that your content looks neat and organized. To kick things off, head over to your website's WordPress login page. You'll need to enter your credentials and log in to get access to the WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is essentially the control center of your WordPress website. It's where you can manage content, configure settings, and access various tools, so you'll be spending a fair bit of time here. Next, you'll want to navigate to Elementor, a popular page builder plugin that allows you to create stunning web pages with a live editor. In the dashboard, you'll see Elementor in the left-hand menu. Click on that to delve into the Elementor configuration. Once you're in Elementor, it's time to choose the page or template you wish to edit. Simply go to Edit with Elementor for the page in question, and let's get started with making those columns equal in height. Now it's time to focus on the section where you want the columns to have equal heights. Click on a section within your page. At this point, it's crucial that you examine your setup and think about where the equal height columns are necessary. Having a mental picture of your page's layout will help guide your decisions. With your section selected, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the Advanced tab in the Elementor panel. This tab offers additional settings that aren't available at the basic level. Here you'll find more nuanced control over the styling and layout of the elements on your page, which is exactly what we need for achieving our goal with CSS. Once you're in the advanced settings, navigate to the Layout tab. This tab is the key to ensuring your columns are uniform. Under Layout settings, you might find an option to set the column height to equal. If your version of Elementor doesn't have this option, or if you're using a different setup, don't worry, you can achieve this through Custom CSS. To apply Custom CSS, scroll down the advanced settings until you reach the Custom CSS section. Here you'll want to enter the CSS code to make the column's height equal. If you're not sure what code to use, the following is a standard example you might find helpful. Display flex. Ensure that each column within the section applies this layout, allowing them to automatically adjust to the tool column's height. And that's it! By following these steps, you've now successfully created equal height columns in CSS, making your web page look more professional and balanced. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.